Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about backing up and restoring your data. Now, backing up and restoring data has been around for a large number of years now. Some people do it, some people don't, some think it's never going to happen to them so they're not going to worry about it. But when it comes to the information that you keep within your business, you have to have some sort of backup to make sure that if the cloud goes down, your internet goes down, your server goes down, the PC goes down, that you have a copy of the critical information for your business. And most people don't think that that critical information is really important. But it is. It really is very important for the simple fact that you need to be able to be in a situation where the data you are backing up or the data you're creating in the business has somewhere secondary so that we can keep a copy of it. And this includes things like your CRM database on the web, in the cloud. It also means backing up your website. How many people do you know who do a regular blog, and if their website went down, what would happen? Have they got a backup of it? In addition to that, there are two types of backup. We used to use backups like tapes, used to use zip drives, used to use USB drives nowadays. All of these things have a failure rate. But on top of that, the information that you need to generate for your business needs to have a place to go. For instance, if I am doing, if I'm in a shop and I'm running a Maya system and it breaks, and it's now going to take me 3 days to get it all back. And in that 3 days, I've just lost all of those clients because I can't invoice them, I can't check information, I can't check stock, all of that sort of stuff. So we have to have some way of doing incremental backups. Through the day. Now they make sure that 15 minutes there's a copy of that information goes to somewhere else. And every 15 minutes he quite happily writes that information to that somewhere else. This machine goes down, we can get the information back and be up and running very quickly. The second component is this is on site somewhere. It doesn't have to be visible, but it could be on site. This is not. Or even better, does 15 incrementals and backs it up onto the internet. Wonderful. So this is doing a 15-minute incremental, this is doing a 24-hour backup. So in other words, everything goes pear-shaped, place burns to the ground, then your night backup is going to be very, very important because it has everything from up to the last 24 hours in it. If you're doing 15-minute incrementals, then you're only going to lose 30 minutes worth of information, which is brilliant. It really is. And if you have this type of system in place, this is a shadow protect system. Then all of that information is in a virtualized system, and we can then bring the virtualized system up. You can then run your business on the virtualized system. Now, when it comes to backups, the other thing you've got to be very aware of is you need to do a restore. Now, you don't want to be in a situation where the first time you do a restore is when something has broken. Because I can guarantee, just like in war in the first plan goes to crap when you see the enemy, you have to be able to make sure and have confidence in the information that's been restored. That restore makes it a lot easier for your business because you know that if this goes pear-shaped, for instance, the place burns down, then all of your information is concurrent, and it is accessible. And that is very important for every business. So, if you want more information about a Shadow Protect system with an internet backup on it, then please contact us and we will get in contact with you and talk to you about it. Thank you.